Welcome to XM.com for today's Daily Market Comment by Raf Boyajian. I'm Christina Marujos. Pre-Christmas cheer came early for equity markets as investors celebrated the growing view that the newly discovered Omicron variant is not more dangerous than the Delta strain. Early evidence suggests that Omicron causes less severe illness than other variants, even though it appears to be the most contagious form of COVID yet. So far, traders have been embracing the slightest bit of positive news over Omicron, and with investors optimistic, risk assets have bounced back from last week's panic sell-off. Even the tech-heavy Nasdaq posted an incredible rally on Tuesday, surging 3%, despite Treasury yields also rebounding quite strongly. The S&P 500 closed up 2%, while the Dow Jones finished the session 1.4% higher. Asian shares extended the rally today as monetary easing in China lifted sentiment. China's benchmark stock indices were up more than 1% today, though they've been lagging their Asian and global peers all year. In contrast, the Chinese yuan has been steadily firming in recent months, hitting a 3.5-year high versus the US dollar today. In Europe, stocks opened mixed, and US E-mini futures were also pointing to some moderation of the upside momentum. There was a mixed mood in FX markets on Wednesday as the US dollar lacked a clear direction amid some caution ahead of Friday's CPI data out of the United States and the FOMC meeting next week. The Australian dollar was the only one from the commodity-linked currencies that was able to stretch its advances against the greenback, climbing to a one-week high. The Canadian dollar brushed a fresh two-week high at the start of the session before pulling back slightly. The latest robust employment and trade data out of Canada, combined with waning worries about Omicron and soaring oil prices, have strengthened expectations that the Bank of Canada will sound upbeat at its policy meeting today. The Bank of Canada announces its decision at 3 o'clock GMT, and investors will be looking for clues that policymakers are considering bringing forward their rate hike timeline. In commodities, gold edged up for a second day amid some geopolitical tensions between the United States and Russia over Ukraine. U.S. President Biden held a 2-hour video call with Russian President Vladimir Putin yesterday, though it's unclear whether the meeting will lead to a de-escalation of the situation. Thank you for watching today's Daily Market Comment here at XM.com.